Hello everyone, let's start our science lesson. Today we will be going through our notes, what we have written since few days now on the topic sorting and using materials. We are done with our student book. So I have explained you all the chapters, all the topics in your student book. So now the notes which I have given you, I'm going to go topic by topic and I'm going to brief you on. Alright, let's open the notes given on 16th of October. That was a Friday. I've given you work to copy on materials. So you just have to flip back and let's continue. Use your pointers, finger to read along and to understand. Alright, the topic is materials. All the stuffs around us are made of different materials. So here the word stuffs means materials, objects, things which are around us are made of different materials. We use different materials to make objects, things which we can use in our day-to-day life. Next, point number 2, materials come in all shapes and sizes with different properties. Now what happens is these materials come in different shapes and sizes, or mostly everything is in a different shape and a size according to their requirement. Now different properties as well. Certain things which are waterproof, you use it where it is more of wetty area and you don't want the material to get wet, so you use waterproof objects. For example, under the rain you use an umbrella or a raincoat so that it keeps you dry. You even use an umbrella to take a shade under a sunny day. Okay, so you use a glass to see through because it's transparent and it is easy to clean. Okay, and you use a wooden door because it is strong, yeah, and soundproof so that the sound doesn't travel out of it because it is solid. Now, and they are used for different purposes, as I just gave you different examples for different purposes. Point number 3, materials include not only solids. Listen here carefully, that materials are not only solids. What are solids? These are solids. What is liquid? Liquid is anything which flows is counted as liquid. And what are gases? When you boil water, the steam which comes out, that is a form of a gas. Even the cooking burner, a very good example in your kitchen where mommy has the cooking stove. How do you lit fire? When mommy releases the gas from the cylinder, passes through the knob, passes through the stove, and then she turns on the knob, the gas releases and then she lights the fire. So here materials are not only solids but they are liquids and gases too. Gases and liquids are also called as materials. Point number 4, even food and water. Food and water are materials. Food is nothing but solid which we eat, we chew and we digest it. Liquid falls under juice, water, yeah, milk, those are liquids. So these two, food and water, falls under materials as well. Now, different materials. There are different varieties of materials. What are the different varieties of materials? Let's learn that. Paper is a material. Plastic, metal, glass, rock, powder, liquid, wood, rubber, fabric, ceramic and concrete. What is ceramic? Ceramic is something which is stronger than glass. It is easily moldable and it is stronger than glass. Yes, ceramic can break but not very easily. Now the cups which we drink water in, the big mugs, those are ceramic mugs, okay, in which you can encarve you can get a photo printed, you can write something like you're the best, or I love you mom, or my dad, or so those are ceramic cups. Concrete is last time I have explained to you. It's a cement and the small particles of stones mixed together to build buildings and houses. So our buildings are built of concrete. So now let's look at this. Sorry, this is the best I could draw. Hope it is clear. It's a pencil which is made of different materials. There is a rubber at the end of the pencil. This part of the pencil is metal. This is a wooden and this is the graphite. Now, this is the right example of a pencil which you can see on the board. This part here has an eraser. It's a rubber, okay? This part is metal. This is wood and inside the lid is graphite. So we have combined few different materials, that is metal, wood, rubber and graphite to form an object called pencil. Yeah. Now, I have done until here. In the next video, I am going to brief you on properties of material. I'm going to make two videos today. One is on materials and the other one is on properties of materials. Okay, stay tuned. Do not move around. Open up the next video. Please play the next video to follow the notes.